Have you ever looked at your finances and just felt completely stuck? Like you're trying to play a game, but nobody ever told you the rules? Well, today, we're going to dive into a YouTube channel called Alicia Invests. It's on a mission to translate the super confusing language of money into something we can all actually understand and, more importantly, use. Let's see how she breaks it all down.
I mean, let's be real for a second. For most of us, finance feels like a totally different language, right? It's just full of confusing jargon, really intimidating charts, and advice that seems to flip-flop every other week. It is so easy to feel overwhelmed, like you're always just one step behind and never quite able to catch up.
But what if it didn't have to be that way? What if you could just cut through all of that noise? Imagine there was a way to translate all that complexity into simple, actionable steps. Well, that's really the core idea behind the channel we're looking at today.
And that brings us to our guide. The channel is run by Alicia, and she kind of sees herself less as some expert talking down to you and way more as a translator. She's someone who's there to bridge that huge gap between the complicated world of finance and, well, anyone who just wants to build a better, more secure future for themselves.
This quote right here really gets to the heart of what she offers. She's the one spending all the time obsessing over the data, the weird ways our brains think about money, and all the hidden stuff about wealth. Why? So you don't have to. The whole point is to give you the key lessons, the good stuff, without any of the headaches. So how in the world does she actually pull this off? Well, her entire approach is built on a really cool combination, using simple, clear methods to explain some really big and, honestly, sometimes pretty counterintuitive ideas. First things first, she makes sure you've got a solid foundation. Think of the channel as a complete toolkit. It covers all the essentials, stuff like beginner-friendly guides to investing, finally demystifying the stock market with things like index funds, and of course practical plans for budgeting, saving money, and planning your journey out of debt. And the way she delivers this info is what really makes it work. So instead of those dense, super intimidating charts that just make your eyes glaze over, she uses simple animations. And this isn't just about looking cool, it's a strategy. It makes complex information way less scary and a whole lot more memorable. The goal is for these ideas to actually stick with you. But here's where things get really interesting, because the channel goes a layer deeper than just the how-tos. It also gets into the psychology of money. The mindsets, the hidden beliefs, and all the myths that are secretly running our financial lives without us even realizing it. Okay, now this stuff is fascinating. She explores these big, provocative ideas, like in her video on the high-income poverty trap. This is that bizarre situation where someone earns a huge salary but is somehow still living paycheck to paycheck. As their income goes up, their lifestyle inflates right along with it, leaving them looking rich but actually cash poor and totally trapped in a job they can't afford to quit. Then she'll push you to question everything with concepts like why looking poor is so important. Now, this isn't about depriving yourself or anything. It's a really powerful lesson in what's called stealth wealth, the idea that building real, lasting financial security means you're prioritizing actually owning assets, not just looking like you do. And finally, she directly takes on all the bad advice we've heard our whole lives by breaking down common money lies. The whole point here is to help you swap out those old, unhelpful beliefs for a smarter, more effective mindset that actually works for you. So when you look at all of it together, the practical advice, the psychological deep dives, the myth-busting, it's all designed to lead you down one specific path, the path toward real, genuine financial freedom. And what does that even mean, really? Well, the channel defines it beautifully. It's not about being absurdly rich. It's about getting to a point where your assets and your investments are powering your goals, giving you the freedom to actually design the life you truly want to live completely on your own terms. So, the journey she lays out is actually a pretty logical three-stage process. You start by mastering the fundamentals, the basic blocking and tackling of money. Only then does it make sense to dig into the psychology behind your own habits. And once you have both of those down, you can use that powerful foundation to actively and intelligently build your wealth for the long haul. Which brings us to this final thought. The entire philosophy of the Alicia Invests channel seems to boil down to this one question. It suggests that making progress isn't just about learning new things, but about having the courage to actively unlearn the old rules that are holding you back. So what's the one money rule you need to let go of?